Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 related to the firmware version 424. So this particular video is specifically for all the custom ROM user. So I think from last 6 to 7 days I was getting some like comments on my previous video that brother how to install the latest firmware for the custom ROM user. Please create a video on that. So I thought let's create a video now. So again, let's jump into the installation steps or installation process. So for that, I've already created a dedicated article on my official blog. The URL for the same will be provided to you in the description below so that you can go over afterward. So nothing major has been mentioned, like this is a build number, and a part of this is a firmware update that is of 57.1 MB, which will upgrade your phone's firmware version to 424, that is Android 10 beta 2 or whatsoever they are saying, either stable or so on. But according to official information, it is beta, or I would say developer version. Apart to this, how to update or how to download it, for this again you are being provided as an Telegram link, which has been provided by its AMEC, the developer behind the AMEC projects. So this is a URL for the firmware. Important note, for this to download you need a Telegram app should be installed at your side. If you are not aware, then we have already provided you the link for the same. So just tap it here, and afterward it will directly be open in the Google Play Store. If it is not installed, then it will ask you to install. If it is installed, then it will show you directly that open or so on. Now once you are successfully installed the Telegram group, or I'm sorry, Telegram app, just tap on this particular URL, and afterward it will ask you that do you want to open for just once or set to always just for the once time. And after it will directly goes to this particular file. At my side I've already downloaded, that's why it is showing me file icon. Otherwise at your side it will be showing you a down arrow, and afterward you just have to tap on these three dot, just tap it here, and afterward save to download, and afterward the file will be downloaded to your download folder. I'll be showing you that as well. So for that, just visit to your files and then afterward to download folder. So you can see firmware 424 and 4 and so on. So I have downloaded this numerous times, that's why I have a same file 2 times. So although it will work in the same manner. Now afterward, again few prerequisite. There is one catch with this particular firmware, so we'll be discussing that as well. So these are the prerequisites. Firstly, backup your data, then charge your phone battery at least 50% or more, but I always say have it at least 80% or more. Apart of this, for this particular specific version, remove your PIN, pattern, password, otherwise it will not allow you to log into your phone even if you are entering the correct password or PIN or a pattern. So I would really recommend, whenever any custom ROM user will be flashing this version, please remove your, because I have faced this error, and afterward I try to like flash the older version of the firmware, which was like my 61 or 63, but again I was not, then I have to reset my whole custom ROM, or I would say factory reset. So if you don't want to take risk, then I would really recommend to do this part. Afterward, finally the installation of firmware version, move to the TWRP recovery mode, install or flash the firmware version 424, wipe cache or Dalvik and reboot the phone, and finally the version 424 will be installed at your phone and you can enjoy the beauty of that particular firmware. Now let me show you the firmware which is installed at my side or on my phone. It is 063. So if you even want this particular utility, then the video like we have already created the dedicated video for this particular part in the past as well, and we'll be providing you the same in the description below so that you can go over afterward. So now we are good to go with the reboot system, rebooting to the TWRP recovery mode. So let's wait till the time we boot to the TWRP recovery mode. So finally we have been booted to the TWRP recovery mode. Now according to blog, just tap on install and afterwards select storage and find the file where you have kept. So this particular video will be going to internal storage because we have downloaded to the download folder, but if you have moved to the micro SD card or any other external drive, then you can go over. So afterward I have selected internal storage. Now I am going to do, or I would say traverse to the download folder. Afterward, as I've told you that I have copied downloaded the file twice, but I'll be following with the latest one with the hash, or I would say in bracket one. At your side, if you have been downloaded for the single time, then your file name would be this. So let me select this and I'll be confirming to flash it. Now it will take nearly about 1 or hardly 2 minutes. So it is already been patched. Now we are good to go with the reboot system. Let me tap on wipe or cache Dalvik. So I've already done this part. Now we are good to go with the reboot system. As I've already told you that I've already removed pin, pattern, swipe and everything so that it can directly boot to the home screen or login screen so that I won't be facing any error. We can again set it afterward. So even I'll be recommending you the same as well. So just wait till the time we boot to the home screen or login screen. So finally our phone has been successfully booted to the home screen. Now let me verify you by opening the firmware version checker. And again, now earlier it was showing 063. Now after flashing 424 version, it is now showing me the updated version, that is 424. So this was all from my side, like how to download and install the firmware version 424 for any custom ROM user. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.